Good evening students and welcome in the world of partnership accounting. Dear students, we are going through fundamentals of partnership accounting chapter 1. Partnership accounting fundamentals. Today I am going to tell you about a very important concept, and that needs to be clarified for successfully understanding partnership accounting, and that is interest on loan given by a partner to the firm and interest on loan given by firm to the partner. These two concepts needs to be clarified, and its treatment is required to be clear. So let us begin the journey, but before that I solicit your support in the form of increasing subscription, likes, comments and sharing with your friends. Please do not forget to share with your friends and write your comments in the comment section and give me the feedback so that I can improve. Your constant support is solicited. Let us begin the journey. There are two concepts, that is interest on loan by partner to the firm. This is the case where loan is being given by a partner to the firm. Here partner is giving loan to the firm. Then second case is interest on loan given by firm to a partner. What is the rule and how this is treated in partnership accounting? See, interest on loan by partner to the firm. If a firm has given loan to the firm, if a partner has given loan to the firm, definitely he has right to get interest on that. He will definitely get, there is no question. The partner will get interest on that loan, and it is a charge for the firm, and that's why this interest will be treated as an expense and will be shown in profit and loss account. But the question arises, if rate of interest is not mentioned in the deed, if in the partnership deed rate of interest is mentioned, then partner is entitled to get interest on loan at that specified rate. But if rate of interest has not been mentioned, then also the partner is entitled to get interest on loan at the rate of 6% per annum. So partner will get interest on loan given to the firm at a rate specified in partnership deed But if partnership deed does not mention the rate, then it will be given at the rate 6% per annum. So this is the rule that I told you. Now what will be the journal entries? Suppose there are two partners A and B, and A has given a loan to the firm, a loan of rupees 1 lakh to the firm. So what will be the journal entry for taking loan from the partner? So if loan is being taken, so firm is getting money, that's why cash or bank account debit to A has given, that's why A's loan account. लोन ले लिया गया, अब इस पे इंटरेस्ट ड्यू होगा. आफ्टर 1 year इंटरेस्ट विल बी पेबल. सिंस इंटरेस्ट is an expense for the firm, that's why it will always be debited. So interest on A's loan account debit this will be expense, and with this expense A's loan will increase. Therefore, to A's loan account. Interest on A's loan is an expense, but it is assumed that this has not been paid in cash. That's why it will be credited to A's loan account. To A's loan account. At the end of the year, this expense will be transferred to profit and loss account, and this interest on A's loan account will be closed. So what will be the journal entry? Profit and loss account debit to interest on A's loan account. You can see that with this debit interest on A's loan account and with this credit interest on A's loan account, this will be suspended. So only A's loan account will be there. Means interest on A's loan account will be closed and this will be transferred to profit loss account. And profit loss account is being debited because this expense is a charge on profit. So this is how the entries will be passed for taking loan, for interest on loan becoming due, and for closing the interest on loan account. Now let us take the next case. Suppose firm is giving loan to the partner. Here partner has given loan to the firm and he was entitled for interest on capital. If rate of interest is not mentioned, 6% is the rate. But here interest on loan given by firm to a partner. So as per Partnership Act 1932, there is no provision of firm charging interest on loan taken by a partner. As per Partnership Act 1932, a firm can't charge interest on loan taken by a partner until it is agreed among all partners and mentioned in the deed. If it is mentioned in the deed that this is the rate of interest with which if any partner takes loan from the firm, so he will be charged this interest at this rate. If this is specifically mentioned in the partnership deed, then okay, then firm will charge it from the partner. But if it is not mentioned what is the rate of interest, it means firm is not going to charge any interest on the loan taken by a partner. Now suppose it is mentioned that interest will be charged by 5%, by 7%, like that. So definitely firm will charge that interest, and this interest will be an income for the firm. Accordingly it will be treated. But before we give the treatment of interest on loan, first of all, what will be the entry for giving loan to the partner? What journal entry will be passed in the partnership firm? Money will go. And who is taking? Suppose here also partner A is taking loan. So A's loan account debit to bank. So money has gone, therefore to bank. Then journal entry will be passed for interest on that loan. This interest is income for the firm. Therefore to interest on A's loan, and here with the amount of interest, partner's capital account will be debited. So A's capital account debit to interest on A's loan. So this is the journal entry that is passed. And at the end of the year, this interest on A's loan will be closed and transferred to profit and loss account. Therefore, interest on A's loan account debit to profit and loss account. So these are the journal entries that will be passed. You can see that since interest on A's loan is an income for the firm, therefore it has been credited to profit and loss account. This will be shown in the credit side of the profit and loss account. And here interest on A's loan was an expense for the firm. That's why it has been debited to profit and loss account, and in profit loss account this will be shown on the debit side. So this fact should be clear. What is the treatment when the firm is giving loan to a partner, and what is the treatment when the partner is taking loan from the firm? Our partner is giving loan to the firm. Both the cases should be crystal clear. The rules I have explained to you, and how the journal entries are passed that I have mentioned. So thank you all. And if you have any doubts that needs to be clear, please write in the comment section. Please do not forget to give likes, give comments and share with your friends. Thank you.